Welcome to day 7 of flexibility challenge. You have made it to the final day and today we're going to focus on active flexibility. Unlike passive stretching, active flexibility involves holding the positions using your own strength. No pushing, no pulling, just your own full body control. So let's get started. We're going to start with the dynamic hamstring stretch from low lunge to half split. Hands on the waist, don't put them on the ground. Keep this active. It will strengthen your hip flexors and stretch the hamstrings actively. We're gonna repeat this drill 5 times on this side before jumping to the next stretch. From here, fold forward and we're gonna flex and point out toes. Engage your thigh muscles for the support. It will mobilize your hamstrings and calves actively. Do this 5 times and then we're gonna do the same stretches on the other side. Once you're done, come up and we're gonna repeat the stretches with the other side. Left leg to the front, low lunge to the half split drill, hands on the waist. Use your thigh muscles for the control and support. Once you're done, come to half split and flex and point your toes 5 times. Once you're done, we're gonna stand up for the next stretch. Stand up and shift your weight on the left side and come to warrior 3 pose and lift your right leg up and down for 10 times, and then we're gonna repeat the same thing with the other side. It will strengthen your hamstrings, glutes, and also enhance your balance. If you struggle with your balance, then you can take the support of the wall or you can keep a chair beside you and hold the chair for the support. Once you're done, come to the center, feet wide apart, toes pointing slightly outward, and then shift from side to side. It will strengthen your inner thighs and open up your hips. Hands on your waist, not on the ground, and repeat this 6 times on each side. From here, we're gonna come to a downward dog and we're gonna inhale, ripple your spine forward into a plank, and then exhale, lift your hips back to downward dog and repeat this movement for 5 times. Move with your breath, spine like a wave, keep your arms and core engaged. Once you're done, come to tabletop position but the knees are hovered. And do the cat cow. Inhale, arch your back, exhale, round your back with your knees hovered for 5 times. It will warm up the spine and activate your core. Once you're done, lie down on your stomach. Hands are off the mat and lift your chest up using your back muscles. Do not drop your hands down for the support. Just use your back muscles to come up and open up your chest. It will strengthen your spinal extensors and improve your back flexibility. Repeat this few more times and then we're gonna hold the pose. Hands at the back, or you can interlace your fingers and hold the pose for a few seconds. Now slowly drop your chest down and come to child pose for a moment to relax. Now slowly come out of the child pose and lift your legs up to the front and come to half boat pose, and then come down to full boat pose and repeat these 5 times. Move from full boat pose to half boat pose. Keep the spine long and controlled. It will build strength in your core and improve your spinal flexibility. When you come down to full boat pose, do not touch your heels to the ground. Keep it controlled. Next, we're gonna hold the half boat pose for a few seconds. Don't give up, we're almost done. And now slowly release your legs down. Relax in Dandasana for a moment. Now raise your arms up, interlace your fingers and bring them to the front and move back and forth. Keep your thighs engaged. This is just to warm up the hamstrings for the final pose. Now interlace your fingers at the back, or if you cannot, then you can just touch your elbows with opposite palms and bend forward. This is the final pose for today, so don't give up. Hold the pose for a few more seconds. Great job everyone, you just activated your body for more flexibility and control. I'm so proud of you. See you next time.